Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by making the area dry and oil-free because adhesion depends on contact. Once done, carefully peel the strip from the backing using only the edges to avoid weakening the adhesive. Place the center of the strip over the nasal bridge, then lay each wing along the flared part of your nostrils. Press the middle first, then smooth outward so the strip grips. This initial placement sets the seal and the mechanical lift that improves airflow immediately. Once the strip is in place, press and hold each section for about 10 seconds to secure the adhesive. This ensures the spring-like band contacts skin fully. Make a gentle inhalation to confirm you feel a subtle lift opening your nostrils. That sensation is the strip doing its work. If you need to adjust, peel slowly and reapply. Do not stretch the strip. Replace with a fresh strip if the edge peels within half an hour, since poor seal reduces effectiveness. To remove, loosen the adhesive. Wash with warm water or take a warm shower first, then peel slowly from the outer edge toward the center to minimize skin stress. If your skin is irritated, apply a gentle moisturizer and rotate the strip placement slightly each night to reduce repeated friction. If you don't notice breathing improvement, make sure the strip size and placement are correct. If problems persist, consider a different strip design or consult a clinician.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.